Hi guys, it's Foxy. This will be a redo of What If Naruto Was a Wolf and Neglected. And I know you guys are wondering why I'm doing a redo or something like that. But why I'm doing it is because when I look back onto those videos, they're not what I usually do. Like with What If Naruto Was a Lion, a Tiger, all of the other videos I do, I go into Naruto's character, alright? I move, how do I say it? I pretend I'm him and, you guys know what I do. Shoot, you guys know what I do. But with my first video, I went into explaining everything. And just everything that was happening around Naruto and I don't know how to explain it at all, but I just want to do a redo and take this in a different angle. Try to fix it up a bit. But don't worry guys, I won't be deleting my first version. And because I think some of you like that version, and if you guys like that version, good. Why am I even talking about this right now? I'm sorry, just had a crazy day today, and just, enough with me talking. You're not here to listen to me ramble on. So, let's get on with this video, our POV. It was a beautiful night out in Konoha Nagakure, the Leaf Village. Everybody was walking home. It was dark. Everyone was walking home. Laughter and smiles on everybody's faces. But they quickly vanish when they felt and heard the roar of the nine-tailed beast. Everyone's smiles and laughters went away. They know what the nine tails are. They grew afraid and they start to run and scream. They start to make their way to the bunkers. But we're not going to go with them right now. We are going to cut back a few minutes before this chaos happened. We enter a cave. And we can hear a woman scream, "God dang it, this hurts, like, it hurts too much." We hear Kushina scream out. Tears of pain and agony flow from her face. "You just have one more to go. Just one more to go, Kushina. Just breathe in and out." An older lady's voice said. She was the wife of the third Hokage, Hiruzen Sarutobi. And she was trying to help Kushina push out her second child. With a loud, agonizing scream, finally, the baby comes out. The baby had golden hair, piercing blue eyes, and 3 whisker marks on each cheek. The woman handed Naruto to Kushina. "Okay, let's get your firstborn. Nurse, where is Nari? Where's Nari?" The woman yelled out. I got him. A younger woman's voice was heard. The woman who said that came out. She had long brown hair, green eyes that resembled the forest. She was holding a red-haired child. She quickly made her way towards the couple and handed Nari to Kushina. "Oh, look at our babies, Minato. Oh, they're so beautiful. The red hair one is Nari, right? Mm-hmm. And the blonde hair one is Naruto. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, they look so cute. Yeah, they are. Especially Naruto. Yeah. You're choosing favorites now, Minato? Of course not. How could you say that about me, Kushina? Oh, shush it. The little laughter quieted down when they heard a thud. They looked towards where the thud came from. Hiruzen's wife fell over. Are you okay? Minato said, getting up out of his chair. But before he can even take a step, clapping was heard. Everyone turned their heads to the clapping. They saw a man wearing a mask and a hood. Who are you? Minato yelled out. My. It seems like Kushina Uzumaki gave birth to 2 little dumplings, the mystery man said. Again, who are you? Oh, how rude of me. I've got to introduce myself. My name is Madara Uchiha. With that, everyone's spines tingled. Fear rose in their hearts. Everybody knows the infamous Madara Uchiha, the ghost of the Uchiha clan. That's impossible. You're supposed to be dead. Yes. I know I'm supposed to be dead, but the body, my body, was never recovered, remember? Ugh. Minato grunts out. Well, if you don't mind, I will take one of the kids. Madara said, while disappearing and appearing again, with Naruto in his hands. Well, it seems like this cute little bundle of joy is now in my arms. What are you going to do, Minato? What do you want? Oh, it's very simple. I want the Chichiriki of the 9-tailed Bijou. And if you give me her, I'll peacefully hand Naruto over to you. And everything in canon happens usually up until the sealing process. Hiruzen and Sarutobi finished the sealing. The sealing jutsu. Red energy flowed into Nari, and white energy flowed into Naruto. But what nobody saw was the gold in there. The golden energy that flowed inside of the white. Hiruzen's body fell over, his soul ripped out from his body by Shinigami himself. Shinigami disappeared. But before that, he gave a little special gift to Naruto. Let's just say the wings of gold. Sorry guys, let me repeat that. The wings of gold. Sorry guys, I had to pause. Minato and Kushina made their way towards Nari and Naruto. When both of them arrived to them, Relief and sadness were in their eyes. Relief that their children were okay. Sadness for Ruzan, the third Hokage, who gave his soul and life to save the village. But before Kushina or Minato could do anything, exhaustion, chakra, the lack of chakra, and pretty much the entire night, both of them passed out. Three days later, Minato woke up, opened his eyes to see a white room, a hospital room. A hospital room. Then he remembers the night. He remembers the masked man, the nine tails, the sealing process. He shot right up, screaming out, "Where are my children?" he yelled out. That also woke up Kushina, who yelled the exact same thing. Hold your horses, Hokage. I got your kids here," a young pipey woman said. She walked in, dark black hair, bright blue eyes, and a good figure walked in, holding both Naruto and Nari. "Here are both of your sons. Now quit yelling. You're going to wake up everyone," she said while hitting Minato up top in the back of the head. "Now, if you need anything, please press the button by your room. Thank you," she said while turning around and walking out the door. "Oh, thank the Lord, our kids are okay," while holding on to Naruto. Yeah, whew. How long were we out for? Well, let's see. It's the 13th, so we've been out 3 days. Yeah, we probably have. Bang! The door shot right open, making the kids cry out. Kushina and Minato turned their heads to see Jiraiya the Toad sounding. "Jiraiya, don't do that ever again! You woke up our children!" Kushina yelled out. Sorry, but I have something to tell you guys." "Okay," Minato said while raising an eyebrow. "Well, I just got back from Mabuki Tower." Hopefully I said that right, guys. I'm sorry if I didn't. But I got a prophecy. Well, tell us, please. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm thinking here. Hold up. Okay, guys. I think I got this. The prophecy child will be the one to have the purest heart known to man, and the soul of a golden wolf with golden wings. And the prophecy child will bring a new era to man and bring peace to all nations. But if this prophecy child is untrained, forgotten, his pure soul will turn as black as night. He will take over the world with an iron fist. He will be the darkness in our light, but if you keep him pure, keep his pure soul, he will be the light in our darkness. and he will be the one to hold the golden fur of the wolf. And that's the end. No, wait. No, I have to keep going. He will hold the power to destroy the world or to bring peace. Drive reciting. Okay, what I understand is a pure child that we must not unpure, blah blah blah. But I get all that. But I don't, this one thing I don't get is the golden fur of the wolf. What does that mean? I have no clue. Maybe, no clue. But in the last part, the power to destroy or bring light or bring peace. And the only power I know that is strong enough to do that is the Nine Tails. Which child has the Nine Tails? Jiraiya asked while pointing his fingers at both Naruto and Nari. Nari has the power, but Naruto has the soul. Okay, so we must train Nari. Why not we train both of them? Well, because we have to bring our full attention to Nari. But no, Kushina. If we do, what in the world? Sorry guys, I just said. Here's something. Anyway. Naruto will only get in the way if we give him attention, give him too much attention. Nari will think he's being forgotten and turn bad. I know, but no buts. I think this is the right way to go about it. We can tell Naruto why we're doing it. He must understand why. But please, Minato, listen. I don't want to do this either. But we have to. Because if we don't, something terrible will happen. I understand that much, but Minato, please. This is for the best of the world. When Nari destroys the bad and brings peace to all nations, then you can give your full attention to Naruto. He will understand. What if he doesn't? Jiraiya. Kushina cries out. I know. Wait, no. Kushina. He must understand. Maybe as a kid he won't and be frustrated, but over time when he matures, he will understand, okay? I know he will understand if he's anything like Minato. Jiraiya says while pointing his finger at Minato. I don't know if this is the right way to go about it. Kushina, I know, but this needs to happen. If we don't train Nari, what will happen? Your family might be entirely wiped out. This, you can't, shoot. This matters more than one. Shoot, how do I say this? What is that? Okay, you guys have heard of this little saying. The matter of the whole. Okay, it's something about the whole in one. It matters about the whole, not just one. The one doesn't matter about the whole. Shoot, guys, I don't know how it goes. By the way. This is to save everyone. You have to sacrifice your time with Naruto to save other people's time. Just think about it, please, Kushina and Minato. And let me see my cute godsons. Jiraiya said, while trying to tickle Nari. Fine, you can see them. Minato said while handing Nari to Jiraiya. Come on, Kushina. I am not letting Jiraiya touch his pervy hands on my Naruto. Kushina said while turning her head. Come on, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I am not a pervert. I'm a super pervert. Jiraiya said while boasting about that. If you don't leave this room in 3 seconds, you are going to be the one in a hospital bed, Kushina whispers. And Jiraiya took that as gotta go. Jiraiya handed Nari to Minato and quickly jumped out the window. You must stop threatening him. Well, he can't say that around our children. You're right. And this will be the ending of part 1 to have Naruto was a wolf and neglected. I really hope you guys like it. If you